Hi everyone, today's going to be a quick video showing you how to use the hot donut hair bun on your favorite wig. You know, wigs and investments that you've made, you want to make sure that your wig is lasting a long time, so that's why using the hot donut hair bun is a great idea. So let's get started. I'm using styling products just the same as you would if you were going to do any hot roller set or any other curling tong. You'd always use styling products, so you need to do that for the hot donut hair bun too. You can of course use a mannequin, but I'm doing this on my own hair today with the wig on my own hair. This is me just activating the heat. It's just an instant click of a button and that instant heat just starts being generated. All you then need to do is tie your hair up on a ponytail, high ponytail, and then slide on the hot donut hair bun. You can divide it into two, and you can see here this hair is so thick, but it's still gonna work. So if your hair is on the thicker side, you can still use the hot donut hair bun. I would also apply styling product while my hair is up in the ponytail as well. I just put it as much as I need. And this is me just looping the hair over and under. That's all you need to do to apply this hair tool. Loop it all the way around, and then you can just use a bobble to secure it. And I'm actually using a scrunchie just to be cute, I guess. Then that's all you need to do. You literally just leave it to bake, the hot donut hair bun, and then come back. This is me 3 hours later or so. I leave it in longer sometimes. I even sleep in it. It just depends on really the style I'm going for with my hair and what my hair is feeling like. It's a case of listening to your hair. And this is me just taking off the bobbles and any pins or anything I've got. Remember, this is still a wig, so this hair is quite a bit on the thicker side, so I'm just making sure I'm unraveling it, you know, starting kind of gently, kind of picking away at it. And you can see as it's so thick, it was a little bit of a squeeze for the hot donut hair bun, but we got in there, which is great. And you'll see the curl that was created in a second pop out from the hot donut hair bun hair. There we go, that was the first half. You can see the curl, and that's it unraveled. So you can see the curl before the ponytail's even been taken down, but you just need to take down the ponytail, make sure it's a high ponytail like I say, and using your styling products. And then, you know, flicking the hair back, and it's a case of just detangling. And you can see the volume that's been created. It really gives you that hot roller set look without having to spend hours putting in a hot roller or a set, or, you know, fiddling around and applying each hot roller, trying not to singe your fingers. So this is a finished look. I think it's great. You know, it's full of body, and the great thing about this is it's so gentle on your hair. On your wigs as well. You know, it's worthwhile being careful there with the heat, and also it's eco-friendly, it's sustainable. You know, it's a hairstyling tool that doesn't require any electricity. It's completely mobile, you can take it with you. But this is me just flicking my hair around. You'll see I kind of do that whenever I use the hot donut hair bun. I find I can't help it, but the hair just feels so light and it feels just nourished and taken care of. And this is the back shot, and you can see the tips are a little bit on the straighter side, but that just shows you the authenticity of using the hot donut hair bun to create this hair. I could have tucked in the tips a little bit more, but you can see the real results. And this is a wig, so you can create these results also on your own hair. Me still flicking this hair around, but you know it's lasting. That's what it looked like before. And that is a hot donut hair bun, and what it can do for your hair or your wig or what have you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.